Welcome everybody. Today we are going to talk about the coping with heat stress in boiler chickens in the month of summer. And heat stress is a quite a daunting task to manage in the summer months. And the topic we are today we are going to address are the temperature relationship with heat stress, the sign and symptoms of heat stress, and the postmortem lesions with that we could encounter in heat stress birds, and the management aspect of heat stress and the treatment protocols. And to begin to know about the heat stress, we should have a knowledge of temperature and the ideal temperature for the above 65, which is which serves as the limiting factor in the chicken production. And the heat stress is characterized by various signs and symptoms, and which includes the peculiar sign of open mouth breathing, and the clutter and flutter sound, and the wings lifted, which yield vegan is characterized by open mouth breathing. And in next video we could see the chicken gasping chicken, and here is the gasping chicken. This is the quite peculiar sign in the heat stress chicken farming. I mean, boiler are almost more susceptible than layers to move with. Then we have to know about the postmortem changes in heat stress condition. For this we have to know the normal bird postmortem changes, and here is 42 weeks 42-day boiler chicken with normal breast muscle. But in case of this, the breast area has been changed into white, and it seems like cooked meat. And this also the breast area is changed into cooked meat. You can see in this, and this also characterized by same. This is also characterized by same. And when we open the body of the bird, we could see the following two things: the A and B. A is characterized as the blood filled with heart filled with blood, and B is edematous lung. As you can see, particularly lungs are also affected because the bird is in gasping position, and during the gasping, the E. coli infection in lungs could occur because there is so much pressure in the lungs. And management, how we could manage the heat stress problem. First thing is to make the birds, to separate the bird and provide them adequate space for their ventilation. So keep the birds evenly, not this we can see in this figure. This is not a good way of rearing bird. This is very clumsy way, and all birds are gathering at same place. Yes, this is wrong. And in this we could see the more space around the bird, so that it could flow from farm and through ventilation. And this is proper way of management. And sorry, and the boiler. In the next slide we can see about how to separate the bird, so that they are more separated, and the condition of heat stress can be prevented. For this you have to keep the migration fences. These migration fences can be kept at the distance of 30 meter each, and ideally there is 3 to 4 migration fences are necessary for a poultry housing, and they should be installed in year round, and they should be must be. And this is this water consumption also is directly related to the um, directly heat states. In the heat stress condition, the water consumption increases and the heat consumption decreases. And how should we manage the feed for the heat stress condition? uh, for feed, uh, you have to know certain things, like this. In heat stress condition we should reduce the feed supply, because feed increases the heat production and make deteriorate the condition. So the feed ration with low carbohydrate and adequate protein, amino acid and vitamin. In some literature it is suggested to add fat in the feed, but it should be low in carbohydrate. And what should be the timing of the feed? Yeah, feed timing also plays an important factor during the stress condition, and they should not be fed in during the day condition. Let's say from 8 according to the some literature. And feed should be provided when the temperature is low, and if the at the night time. And what about water? Yeah, water should be provided at most, and some literature revealed to provide a cool water instead of hot water, and which helps to cool their body. And we should mix this electrolyte powder with the water. Electrolyte and vitamins. In vitamins we should provide A, C, E and selenium. This A, C, E and selenium helps to protect the some drugs are contained indicated in the heat stress condition, like nicarbazine and monensin, which further deteriorate the condition. And chlorine use is very much restricted in heat stress. You have to know these two drugs. And when to add vitamin? When the initial signs of heat occurs, as we discussed in like gasping